In this video, I'm going to be covering how to use the MANET tool in SOOTHSAYER. The MANET tool can be accessed from the top toolbar. Clicking on the map will place the transmitter with my current transmitter receiver settings. I can see coverage of the transmitter by pressing the Show Heat Map button. By placing another transmitter on the map, we can see that we have a good link between both sites. Additional sites can be added in this way. As further sites are added, it can be beneficial to turn off coverage to better show links on the map. Transmitters can be moved by dragging them on the map. Right-clicking a transmitter and selecting Hide will keep the transmitter on the map but not include it as part of calculations. On screen now, we're demonstrating a one-way link. The transmitter on the top of Penny Fan having one-way comms with the transmitter in the car park. Transmitters can be deleted by right-clicking them and selecting Delete. New transmitters can be placed with different parameters such as mast height and transfer power. With this demo network, we're still failing to establish two-way communication with the highest node. Hidden nodes can be brought back into the calculation by right-clicking them and selecting Show Node. As additional nodes are added to the network, each link is scored and shown in the bottom left-hand table. The next transmitter in my network is going to be an embedded module on a drone at a height of 200 meters. Adding this additional transmitter helps us to establish a full mesh network. A metrics report can be downloaded by pressing the Download Metrics Report button. This JSON file will display settings of each individual transmitter in the network. A KNZ can also be downloaded, which can be opened up in Google Earth. The rating applied to the links can also be altered. We can type in values for the lower and higher values for them to be scored.